In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for beginners. If you've just started exploring Trello, you're in the right place, as we'll cover everything you need to know to get started quickly and effectively. Let's dive right in with how to set up and navigate Trello. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Trello's website. Trello is excellent for capturing, organizing, and tackling your tasks from anywhere. Once the page has loaded, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see an option to sign up. But for today, we'll assume you've already signed up, so simply enter your login credentials and you're all set. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Trello workspace. This is the dashboard where you can see all your boards and manage your workflow. The first thing we want to do here is create a new board. Think of boards as the digital equivalent of a physical board you might use in an office for brainstorming or task management. Click on Create Board to start this process. Here you can give your board a name that reflects the project or tasks you are organizing. You can also choose a background color or even upload an image to personalize it. After naming your board, go ahead and click Create to finalize this part. You'll notice your new board opens up, and from here you can start structuring it to suit your needs. Adding lists is the next step, so look for the Add List option. Lists in Trello help organize your tasks by category or stage. Some common examples might include To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Click to add as many lists as you need to keep your tasks sorted effectively. Next, it's time to populate these lists with cards. Click on Add a Card under any list you've created. Cards are where the detailed magic happens. Each card acts like a task or unit of work. You can title your cards and provide descriptions to outline what needs to be done. Feel free to add as many cards as you need across your lists. Finally, one of the most powerful features of Trello is the ability to collaborate with your team. Click on Assign Members to add people to your card. This helps in keeping everyone informed about their tasks and progress. It's all about making teamwork more seamless and coordinated. And there you have it, you've just set up a basic Trello board and you're ready to get started with organizing your projects like a pro. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool, so don't hesitate to explore its other features to find what works best for you. Thanks for joining in today, and happy task managing.